Hi, Bill Reineke here, and I want to just take a minute here and do a product review on WP Profit Builder. And Profit Builder has been out for going on 9 months. I bought it the very morning that it went out 9 months ago, and I got of course, the super deal on it when it first comes out. But the thing about Profit Builder is that it is just an absolutely amazing software. It's a theme. There's a plug-in for just squeeze pages if you don't want to change your theme. It's fully versatile. And in fact, I'll tell you, I've actually gone and replaced all my premium themes on all my websites, all my customer sites, and I've replaced it with Profit Builder. And in some cases where I had some pretty sharp-looking themes, I've actually gone in and duplicated those in Profit Builder. And the reason I would go to all that trouble is because Profit Builder has so much power behind it, as you'll see here in just a moment. But it is absolutely amazing what it'll do. It's has so many things. I have you on the sales page here, and I just have you. I'm here just simply because I want to just show you a few of the features that it has. Um, as it says here, it's easy and fast, and it's a drag and drop dynamic editor. I'll show you that here in a second. Pre-done market themes, and it says profit skyrocket profits now. And the thing about that is that it not only will skyrocket profits, but it absolutely saves you time and money when it comes to working with it. Here are some of the themes that come with it. It has over 60 themes. Comes with a full library of hundreds of icons that you can use. It has over 60 themes, as it says right here, and you can customize any page and create one from scratch if you want. All the themes are absolutely 100% customizable, and it just goes on and on. So I'm just going to cut to the chase, and I'll tell you, it's a one-time fee for an unlimited site and developer's license right here. And it's one time $67. And I'll tell you, I've used other software that I bought to create squeeze pages, and nothing comes close to Profit Builder. I have used some cloud-based software, and that's a subscription, and it was more than the $67 that I paid in a month or per month. But this is a $67 one time, and I really want to stress that. It says right here, I don't know if you can see that, but discounted from 197. And I don't really want to draw anybody's attention to this, but it never went to 197 after it was the campaign was over. And so, but even if you had to pay 197, it'd be worth it. Build just get wet building one website for one customer, and you've paid for your Profit Builder. Build a couple landing pages for somebody, and you've paid for it. But it's not 197; it's $67.67, and so you absolutely can't beat it. So here are some other things I want to just take you into the back page here, and here are the themes that it has. It has opt-in and squeeze and landing pages. It has landing sales pages, membership pages, home pages, webinar pages, product review pages, miscellaneous marketing pages, coming soon pages, frequently asked questions, and testimonial pages. And so this is absolutely amazing. This is developed and created by Sean Donahoe. Definitely want to make a mention there of that, and he puts out some absolutely amazing products. So I have one that I've started here, and here's a theme, and I just plugged it in there. One of the things I wanted to show you is that it is fully integratable. You can, here's the drag and drop. You just push the little pencil here. You come over to the editor, and you can edit it, what's in that little box there, and you can save the contents. It's fully integratable with your email, and there's a variety of different buttons to choose from. You have and just real quick, I'll give you an idea of what you've got to choose from. You have button type. We're going to go. That's custom text. Here's a CSS button, and you have a whole number of buttons that are like that. You saw the animation there. you can animate any or all of it. You can time it, when to animate, when to come in. Um, and let's see, you got pre-done buttons. So here's a pre-done button, and that one is blue. And I can come down here and let's see here, pre-done button, and I can go up there and I can change the color of it with just a click of a button, and there it is. And so there's that. And then this is a two-stage button, opt-in, so it drops down and lets you have more prompts, more calls to action in there. So it's fully versatile. Here's a video, and that's just a matter of I'll show you how easy that is. Take that out of there. And so all I did was you create a row, and I'm just going to take this out, and you go in here and you select that, and you have a drop down menu here with different menus here, and I'm going to select video, and as you can see all the options there. I'm not going to go into all of those. I'm going to do other trainings to show that, but you hit the little pencil there. I've got this YouTube URL that I just had put in there. Paste that in there like that, and there you are. You can set it to autoplay. You can have it with or without controls. You can set the size of your video. There's just so much you can do there with that. So I'm going to hit save, and then I'm going to hit preview here. And here's our test page. Or here's our test page. I'm going to hit refresh. And there it is, and there's our animated button, and our video down here at the bottom. We have our social share buttons in there, and those can you can take those out or leave them in there, and that's all there is to it. Now there's a couple cons I would, and I'll tell you, the cons for Profit Builder, I had to really work on it. Because I'll tell you, anything that I've found wrong with it in the 9 months that I've been using this really pretty extensively, I would say almost on a daily basis, I have not found enough problems to really be significant. But I would say that when it comes to working on this sidebar over here, it can get pretty tedious if you've spent any amount of time at your computer. You've got a lot of buttons over here. I can't even begin to tell you all the buttons. The documentation, and tutorials is pretty good. It'll definitely get you started and get you, up and going. But you just have to experience it and work with it. And and there's really, it'll meet your needs if you have, needs that with regards to your web page and features that you want to incorporate. They're in here, and it just becomes a matter of finding it. So I have spent hours and hours working with this, and it so it's been quite a learning process. So it's I would say on a scale of 1 to 10 of user friendliness, I would probably give it a 7. Out of the box, once you get familiar with it and get it, figure out what you want to do with it, it's a 10. Because I have no problem navigating and doing everything that I need to do. But, like I said, all the benefits far outweigh those minor things, in my opinion. And for the one low one-time cost of $67, it beats any monthly fee that you would pay. So it saves you money there, and it makes you a ton of money in the savings. Nice thing about it too is if you create a page, you can a web page, a squeeze page, a landing page, you can pretty much change it on the go. So it's amazing. It's a wonderful tool, and I can't really say enough about it. If you're would be interested in checking it out, I have a link down below, and that is my affiliate link. And you really can't go wrong with Profit Builder if you spend any amount of time building web pages. If you're in internet marketing, it's definitely one of those tools that you just find yourself wondering how you got along without it. So that's my review, and I guess you could say it's a little biased because I use it. I very partial to it, but it's one of those things that really, more than anything, it's just a matter of word of mouth, and it's something I'm really excited about, and I want to share it with people. So I hope this review was helpful. If you have any questions, contact me. I'd be glad to answer them. And I hope you have a super day, and here's to your success.